The tap leaks.
The tap leaks.
The door creaks.
The door creaks.
The power has failed.
The power has failed.
This bulb is burnt out.
This bulb is burnt out.
The socket is defective.
The socket is defective.
The ringing doesn't work.
The ringing doesn't work.
The heating is broken.
The heating is broken.
The water heater does not work.
The water heater does not work.
The sink is clogged.
The sink is clogged.
The water pressure is very low.
The water pressure is very low.
The vacuum cleaner doesn't work.
The vacuum cleaner doesn't work.
The clock doesn't work.
The clock doesn't work.
I have a flat tire.
I have a flat tire.
The zip is broken.
The zip is broken.
My car has broken down.
My car has broken down.
My glasses handle is broken.
My glasses handle is broken.
The house caught fire.
The house caught fire.
The microwave no longer heats the food.
The microwave no longer heats the food.
The carpet has stains.
The carpet has stains.
The drill no longer works.
The drill no longer works.
The washing machine is broken.
The washing machine is broken.
The refrigerator is no longer cooling.
The refrigerator is no longer cooling.
The dishwasher is not working.
The dishwasher is not working.
The lamp does not turn on.
The lamp does not turn on.
The TV has no picture.
The TV has no picture.
The vacuum cleaner is not sucking properly.
The vacuum cleaner is not sucking properly.
The air conditioner is not cooling.
The air conditioner is not cooling.
The door does not close properly.
The door does not close properly.
The boiler is not producing hot water.
The boiler is not producing hot water.
The iron is not heating up.
The iron is not heating up.
The shower has no water pressure.
The shower has no water pressure.
The toaster is not toasting evenly.
The toaster is not toasting evenly.
The phone has no sound.
The phone has no sound.
The blender is not working.
The blender is not working.
The coffee machine is dripping water.
The coffee machine is dripping water.
The refrigerator is too loud.
The refrigerator is too loud.
The garage door is not opening.
The garage door is not opening.
The kettle is not heating up.
The kettle is not heating up.
The alarm system is not working properly.
The alarm system is not working properly.
The fan is not spinning.
The fan is not spinning.
The doorbell is not working.
The doorbell is not working.
The printer is not printing.
The printer is not printing.
The hairdryer is not blowing hot air.
The hairdryer is not blowing hot air.
The tablet is not charging.
The tablet is not charging.
The kettle is not turning off.
The kettle is not turning off.